Alright, back with A-Rod Kyle. Gonna try one of these 2014, make sure it's right, Leaf Originals. Last box. Box number 5. Here we go, Kyle. Bill, yeah, I do have one. I think I do. I've only sent in like 2 in my life. 2 or 3. Here we go. We have Jeremy Hill, Paul Richardson, Mike Davis, Jake Matthews, the blue, and that one's numbered to 25, Trey Mason, 2014 autograph card redemption. They do send you parallels sometimes. Occasionally when you scratch this off, they'll mail you parallels that will be numbered. That's the Rams dude, Trey Mason. Trey Mason, Jake, Paul, Mike, and Jeremy. Thanks, Kyle. I'll get it on the way, bud.